Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
Every little thing you do, and every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh.
Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Dhgate 18th anniversary sale that's coming up. So this sale starts on August 23rd and runs to the 30th. So it's a whole week of fun on Dhgate, and I'll get into that in the video. If you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click the subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. This video is a collab with Dhgate. They reached out to me and wanted me to tell you guys all about their sale that's coming up and how you guys can earn money through the affiliate program. You can earn something like 500 US dollars during this time, during this week of events. So I'll let you know what's up. There is going to be draws and sales and events throughout the week of the 18th anniversary sale. The sale is going to be crazy. So there's going to be a lot of events that you guys can partake in if you are interested. If you're interested in just the shopping perspective of the 18th anniversary sale, you can definitely take part in some crazy deals that are happening during this time. And if you are part of the affiliate program, you can definitely take advantage in the commission you're going to be earning during this week. So either way, you are going to want to be participating in the Dhgate 18th anniversary sale. It's just going to be an awesome week. So yeah, there's going to be different events that take place, different coupons that you can claim and receive, different sales that are going to be happening throughout the week. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do if you want to earn some coin during the 18th anniversary sale is you are going to sign up for the affiliate program. If you haven't already, I have a link in the description box below if you guys want to sign up. If you're already a part of it, you guys already know the tea. You guys already know how easy it is to create links and whatnot. But if you are not part of the affiliate program, I will leave the link below so you guys can check it out as well. So it's super easy to sign up for, and it's super easy to check on your balance and stuff like that on the Dhgate app. But yeah, basically you're gonna want to pick your favorite items, some stuff that you've been looking at for a while, some stuff that's been in your cart, maybe some stuff that's in your favorite list that you've been waiting for it to go on sale, or you've been waiting for a coupon code to come up and get a great deal on your item. You're basically going to copy and paste that into the link customizer, which is in the Dhgate affiliate dashboard. Super easy to locate and super easy to do. You're basically just going to customize your links from there. You're going to copy and paste your links into the link customizer, and you're going to share your links to your friends and family. You're going to share it to your friends, you're going to share it to people online, you're just going to share your links everywhere, and that is how you gain commission on Dhgate. Super easy. So this is how you're going to create a link. You're going to go on your Dhgate page and click on your favorite item. You're going to copy that link, and then you're going into your affiliate dashboard, and this is the link customizer. Super easy, and that's how you create your link. But yeah, with the sale, there's going to be great deals happening. You can even use your own link, which is crazy. I haven't done that yet. I didn't even know you could do that, but apparently, yeah, you can shop with your own link. So you can gain commission that way as well. So after you've registered for the Dhgate affiliate program, you're definitely going to want to check out the 18th anniversary page on Dhgate to claim your coupons, because that is what you're going to want to do before you shop, as well as when you share your links elsewhere. You're going to want to let people know that they can visit the 18th anniversary page on Dhgate and get their own coupons so they can get more great deals on their items. Okay, so basically this is the home screen on the Dhgate app right now. This is just a screen recording from my phone from the app, and this is the 18th anniversary dashboard, which is just on the main page. You can go in and look at different deals that are happening right now, like these items right here. Okay, so if you go back to the main page here, you can click on this link right there, and there is coupons that are available for your purchases. Also this wheel, which we're going to spin after, that's going to give us some great deals, as well as some more items that are on sale. So I'm going to go back to that link,
And this is the coupons that are available to me right now. There's probably going to be more later on in the week, but you can actually spin this wheel right here and you can win some coupons, which are awesome, like this one.
So yeah, basically right now, currently my Dhgate cart is full. It has 50 items in it, which is crazy. And basically what I'm gonna wanna do throughout the week during the time of the sale is I'm gonna wanna go through my cart and just look at things that I know that everybody's been requesting, that people have been really enjoying from my previous Dhgate hauls and stuff like that. And I'm gonna create some links and even stuff that's gone on sale and that are really great deals right now. I have found some really great deals recently. A lot of sellers have been doing like summer sales and that sort of thing, and stuff has been heavily discounted. So basically what I'm going to want to do during this time is just create links and share them with my followers to gain commission during the 18th anniversary sale. And that is basically how you're going to earn money during the sales event. Dhgate definitely hosts different sales events throughout the whole year, so this isn't going to be the only one, but this is going to be a really big one since it's their 18th anniversary. But definitely check out their site from time to time. They do have these sales events that happen quite often, and you can gain commission pretty easily from these sales events because, you know, when you share your links and everything like that, people are going to want to buy it, especially if it's on sale, and especially if there's coupons involved. They're going to be more than willing to buy things on their wish list as well. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys have any questions or comments or anything like that, leave it down below, and definitely check out the description box if you guys want to sign up for the Dhgate affiliate program. I highly recommend it. It is definitely one of the only affiliate programs that I can say that truly works. And I'm not just saying that, it definitely does work. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys soon in my next one. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.
I let you deeper